What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to another video. And today, I am going to be showing you how to do an Animal Jam transparent for all your Animal Jam thumbnails and when you make a video. Or you could do anything. So, today I'm doing a Animal Jam transparent because I like Animal Jam and I play it, obviously. And we have little, circulars here, and going to have to say goodbye to circulars. Okay, so let's go to my den. My computer's laggy today, come on. Awesome, a glitch. I love those glitches. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so for example word, we are going to be doing my snow leopard today. So what you're gonna do is open snipping tool, do new snip, snipping tool, and search it up right here if you have that or whatever. But search out snipping tool, and do new snip. It's already on your computer. Now snip this picture right here, your picture of like that, and then press the save button. Then like do capture blah blah blah. And save. And then you go to Clipping Magic. Clipping Magic. Then pick an image to upload, and then like let's get this. And then with the green, you just scribble green all over your character. Scribble, 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 scribble. This isn't gonna be a very good one, but I just want to do it fast in the videos. Okay, now. I got it. So you'll see your little sample right here, on this side, and that's what I usually do with that. And then you keep on doing this, keep on doing this, till you, on your sample, you have no background, none of that stuff. You know, there we go. And let's do. Ah! No, my foot. No. Oh, phew. Okay. Let's put the green on there. I don't want my foot to be gone. Be gone, foot. No. That's how it just be. Okay. Lilly AJ helped me so much on this video. So I want to share it with you guys. Oh, my foot! Okay. And then we'll do this. Yeah, Lilly AJ really helped me. Wait this video. Because she, in one of her videos, thank you so much for making this video. I never knew how to do an Animal Jam transparent. And I want you guys to check out her channel. I'll put it in the description, whatever. And then I will. Yeah, I actually have the thing open right now. And yeah. You see that here? Download. You'll like have to pay. So yeah. So then, you get out snipping tool again, new snip, then, oh wait, oops, okay, forgot.
Please call the number provided as soon as possible. You will be guided for the removal of the adware spyware virus on your computer. Seeing these pop-ups means that you have a virus.
Gosh, okay. Here we go. So, you're going to have to go to backgrounds and then like choose. I like to do blue because it works. Oh my gosh, I did a bad one. Sorry, I have this. I might do this for one minute. I might make this go in my video. So I just want this to be and blah, 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 blah. And let's see what it looks like with the background. Yeah, let's do that. And then you go to snip tool, new snip, okay, and like snip this. Then you save it to your computer, capture, I believe, and save. Then go to Pixlr, and then go down, right. So we'll open into this page. It's spelled Pixlr, Pixlr. Go down, and then you'll go to Pixlr editor and launch web app. Then you create new image, transparent, united, choose for me, and okay. Now you do layer, then do open image as layer. Then you go to that one that you did, and now you click the little magic wand. Then you click on this, and then press backspace. Then you'll have your transparent, and then you will do file, then do save, and then go to format, and then do PNG transparent full quality, and then press OK. Name it something, United 2, 3, and save. Then you go to PicMonkey. This is how I make my thumbnails. I go to PicMonkey, and this is how I make my thumbnails. And then we go to United 23, if you want to name it that. And then Clausy Cool Cat is on! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for her. She got a spike. PicMonkey! What did I just do? Oops, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. You have to find a background. We're gonna go to Google. Animal Jam back. Animal Jam background. This is sometimes what I do. I don't do this all the time. Most people do this one, but you can do it on a different one, but and then I'm gonna do this, save image, save, then go to PicMonkey, then oops, where is it? Come on. Document. Okay, yeah, it's here. Yeah, see. Then we go to Animal Jam 1, that's what it's called. And then you go to the little butterfly. Then it's called overlayers. And then click add your own. Then you get your transparent. Put it right here. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot. You can also on this, you can also do layer styles, and then it's called outer glow, and then that's okay, and then do file, save, transparent, okay, Nidal 1, 2, 3, 4, save, and then you can also do this, and then you'll like have this little outline, that blue outline, do you see that? And that's pretty cool, right guys? And let's switch these. And like you can like to get the Animal Jam font. Okay, and then you like type in something. Let me get the Animal Jam font. She's saying my sugar. Fonts. So laggy today. Okay, go to yours, and I'm gonna do the Animal Jam font. And I type. Go to Wisteria Moon's video to like Wisteria Moon, how to get the Animal Jam font. Do that, and then you'll download the font, no virus, like she said, and you'll have it. So it's gonna be pretty cool. How to make a animal jams, animal transfer. And then we'll like have it like this. I like it like that sometimes. And let's put it right there. And like the background, I like to. Oh, and for your like this, you can like make them a different color. That kind of looks good. I like it like that sometimes. I've actually never done it, but I'm sure. Yeah, it's pretty good. So that's how you make an Animal Jam transfer. I'm gonna save this. Focusing diffracting. Save to my computer. Save. And then you have your thumbnail or hi. Sorry. I was doing yeah, on how to make an Animal Jam transference. Good, right? Yeah. What? Transparent? How? What? Why is she open? Okay, sorry. Like, of course. No. Oh, please. Don't, please. I love you being in my videos. Yes, I love you being in my videos. Yes. Yes, you made me. Okay, thanks, Elmo. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned from this video, and